Zero Makeup is the labor of love for award-winning worldwide style icon, Nabila.
Feel a Pakistani makeup artist and the Bollywood artist is a fan of your services. How you feel then?
I feel good. I invest a lot in my training, and I think my whole focus is on learn my trade, learn my technique.
This is my natural, no makeup, flawless look. And this was me just 60 seconds ago. And how did I make it all happen? With this, the Zero Makeup Face Perfecting Palette.
For Filmfare Awards and lot of brands in Dubai. All of the people who love makeup and who love good brands. So you have any plan to launch your brands in Dubai?
Yes, we are already here. Zero Makeup is my makeup brand, which stands for it's like a very interesting concept. It's an all-in-one face perfecting palette.
The concealer hides the dark circles and unevenness. Then, the blender infuses the concealer seamlessly into your skin. The blusher warms up the apple of your cheek. The lip stain defines your pout. Finally, a light layer of powder fixes it for hours. It's makeup that doesn't announce itself, but tells the world, I'm beautiful.
Assalamu alaikum, namaste, hello, adab Dubai. Rj Jutt right now with you from Plaza Versace, and I'm right now with the big name from Pakistan in makeup industries, and they have a brand of Zero Makeup. So I think so all of the people and all of the fan who love makeup and who love fashion is waiting for the person. So continue to talk to with them. I'm right now with Nabila. Hi Nabila, how are you?
Hello, thank you.
First of all, welcome in Dubai, and I just want to know, you start 30 years this travel and this journey, how you feel when you are on the top?
I don't think I'm on the top, but 32 years is a long time. I feel good, but I don't think too much about the past. I just think about what I have to do today and tomorrow. So it's good.
And all of the international Bollywood stars and all of the Pakistani stars, you're working with them and you give them a service. How you feel a Pakistani makeup artist and the Bollywood artist is a fan of your services? How you feel that?
I feel good. I invest a lot in my training, and I think my whole focus is on learn my trade, learn my technique, invest in my tools and my technology, and do the best that I can. And then the way we serve our clients is the way we serve the Pakistani stars or the Indian stars. It's the same thing. So for me, it's a client. It's an important client, but it's a client, and client is always important.
And secondly, we believe artists has no boundaries. They work for promote the cultures and promote the peace. So my question is that you are in Dubai now and you. For Filmfare Awards and lot of brands in Dubai. All of the people who love makeup and who love good brands. So you have any plan to launch your brands in Dubai?
Yes, we are already here. Zero Makeup is my makeup brand, which stands for it's like a very interesting concept. It's an all-in-one face perfecting palette, which is made by me for brown skin. And it's made in Germany with very, very good products. So it's doing really well. We launched at Bloomingdale's. We are zeromakeup.com is delivering worldwide. We are launching in India next month. We are in Middle East already. We are doing UK and Europe this winter. So it's a brand, and there is no stopping it.
Nabila, Zero Makeup, you start, and now you told me about that product manufacturing in Germany. So that's meaning about you're not compromise on quality and you're not compromise on services. What is your message for all upcoming makeup artists who want to get more success in this field? What is your message for upcoming makeup artists?
Yes, absolutely. There is no compromise on service or technology or quality or investment, So there is no, you cannot shortchange people. You cannot sell something that you won't buy yourself. So be true to yourself and invest in the best. So I would definitely say that, and a message for all the working professionals in the field of fashion, I would say that the one problem with us is that before we know our trade, we become big divas. So I think there's no time to be a diva. just be a student.
And like 32 years, ups and down is part of the life. So any time in the life when you feel like disappointed, like I'm not achieve my goal, but somebody give you a inspiration, motivation. So who's behind of you?
Um, I I don't think like that. Somehow, I'm very different. I don't think like that. I don't feel down. I feel frustrated, yes, but I think the strength and the courage has to come from inside you.
And the winner is
Nabila!
This is our 10th Hair and Makeup Award. We do not wish to compete for yet another award.
Like you believe on your
It is, you have to help yourself.
true. This is if you want to success in your life, you need to get power from your own inside. So thank you so much for your time. And Nabila is with us, and Zero Makeup is already launched in Middle East, and they have a plan launch next year in India. So I request to all of people who love fashion, who love makeup, just try one time of Zero Makeup brand, and must be you like the quality and services. Keep watching WorldPoint TV with RJ Jutt, cameraman Tokir Ahmed. Thank you so much.